General, about 5 minutes ago, told me he would return my call. I get to it. I trust everything in your district is under control?
Huh? Need your office.
And the general knows I'm waiting. I'm ordering you to...
We enter the programming to come to that. And few moments ago, the suspect broke the BBC headquarters. The suspect cries a firearm and also the black mask. It's unclear how they got the firearm. The suspect has now entered the building and have shown no sign of stopping. Many people have all the residents and players are with me, families and friends that have been by this. We will continue to keep you all updated. As the police enter the building, we want this to be done as soon as possible. Please wait for more information on this story. The police have been down and the shooter has continued and it's going to the BBC headquarters. The explanations of the Sprunki are not clear, but are doing or the best to everybody inside the building. The suspect reported to Sprunki anybody in its pub. They are at the influence, and police have not appeared yet.
As far as I'm concerned, nothing here has been settled.
I agree with you. You got those feet twisted and then she fell on you.
Those monsters took something from me.
The final message warning. This is not a drill. Now for the big day. This is not a drill. Do not turn off your televisions. It is coming up house soon. Today on the oven. Now for national anthem. Goodbye for now.